डियर स्टूडेंट, हम लोग लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट पढ़ रहे हैं। लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट में पिछले क्लास में रियल नंबर पर पढ़े थे, यहाँ रेशनल नंबर पर पढ़ रहे हैं। फर्स्ट लॉ में कह रहा है, स्टेटमेंट है, इफ a by b is a rational number and mn are integers, then in multiplication powers are added on the same base। मल्टीप्लाइकेशन में सेम बेस पर पावर को ऐड कर देते हैं, चाहे बेस 2 हो, 3 हो, 4 हो, जो भी हो, लेकिन बेस सेम रहेगा तो पावर्स को ऐड कर देते हैं, जोड़ कर देते हैं। एग्जाम्पल के लिए a by b to the power n multiply by a by b to the power n, that is equal to a by b to the power m plus n। यहाँ क्या किए, दोनों के पावर को, बेस a by b था, दोनों में सेम बेस था, तो पावर m और n को क्या किए, जोड़ दिए, ऐड कर दिए। न्यूमेरिकल एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं। लेट 2 by 5 is a rational number whose exponent is 2, and again 2 by 5 is rational number whose exponent is 3। Here m equal to 2 and n equal to 3। Therefore, according to laws of exponent, we write 2 by 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 2 by 3 to the power 3, that is equal to 2 by 5 to the power 2 plus 3, that is equal to 2 by 5 to the power 5। Now we multiply 2 by 5 times and denominator 5 times, we get 32 by 3125। that is the numerical form, that is the exponential form। Now you have to find 3 by 4 to the power 3 multiply by 3 by 4 to the power 2 and 3 by 7 to the power 2 multiply by 3 by 7 to the power minus 3। You have to add the power and calculate the value। Now second law is that if a by b is a rational number and mn are any integer, then in division powers are subtracted on the same base। डिवीजन में सेम बेस पर पावर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, घटाते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल a by m, a by b to the power m divided by a by b to the power n, that is equal to a by b to the power m minus n। There is a condition that when a m greater than n, m जो है n से बड़ा है, शर्त है कि लेफ्ट साइड में जो पावर है राइट साइड के पावर से बड़ा है, तब सब्ट्रैक्शन होगा। एग्जाम्पल के लिए लेट 2 by 5 to the power 5 and 2 by 5 to the power 3 have to divide। Therefore, by solution we get 2 by 5 to the power 5 divided by 2 by 5 to the power 3, that is equal to 2 by 5 to the power 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2 by 5 to the power 2। Now multiply 2 by 5 2 times, we get that is equal to 4 by 25। Thus we have concluded second law of exponent for rational number, and you have to find two problem 3 by 4 to the power 4 divided by 3 by 4 to the power 2 and 3 by 7 to the power 5 divided by 3 by 7 to the power 3। Now make your practice for these questions। Dear student, the third law is that if a by b is a rational number and mn are integer, then in division powers are subtracted on reciprocal base। on reciprocal base. As for example, a by b to the power m divided by a by b to the power n, that is equal to 1 upon a by b to the power n minus m. N minus m. This is reciprocal of base. And n minus m, there is a condition, that is m less than n. m जो है वह छोटा है, m जो है वह छोटा है, लेस देन m है. We have an example. Let 2 by 5 to the power 3 and 2 by 5 to the power 5. Here m is less than n and have to divide. We get 2 by 5 to the power 3 divided by 2 by 5 to the power 5, that is equal to 1 upon 2 by 5 to the power n minus m, that is 5 minus 3, that is equal to 1 upon 2 by 5 to the power 2. Now this is reciprocal form. We convert numerator and denominator. We get 5 by 2 to the power 2, and we get 5 by 2 multiplied by 5 by 2, that is equal to 25 by 4. Reciprocal form में आ गया तो ये हो गया 25 by 4. Now we have two problem for practice. Make this practice. Now fourth law is, if a by b is a rational number and m and r any integer, then in division powers are subtracted on the same base. Now let a by b to the power m divided by a by b to the power n, that is equal to a by b to the power m minus n, that is equal to a by b to the power n minus m, that is equal to a to the power b equal to b to the power 0, that is equal to 1. Here is also a condition that m equal to n. जब m और n बराबर होगा तब वह हो जाएगा पावर सब्ट्रैक्ट करके 0, और किसी भी नंबर का पावर जब 0 होता है तो वह 1 के बराबर होता है. As for example, 2 by 5 to the power 4 divided by 2 by 5 to the power 4, we get 2 by 5 to the power 4 minus 4, that is equal to 2 by 5 to the power 0, that is equal to 1. Now always remember that any number to the power 0 is equal to 1. किसी भी नंबर का, चाहे वो नंबर कितना भी छोटा हो, कितना भी बड़ा हो, अगर उसका पावर 0 है तो वह 1 के बराबर होगा. Now you have two questions. 3 by 4 to the power 3 divided by 3 by 4 to the power 3 and 3 by 7 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 3 by 7 to the power 5, and have to make your practice. Now fifth law is that if we have a by b and c by d, two rational number, and n is any integer, then in multiplication a by b multiply c by d whole to the power n, then we have a by b to the power n multiply c by d to the power n. We have two factors, a by b and c by d, and power is n. Now both factors are separate, a by b to the power n and c by d to the power n. Now take an example, 3 by 4 multiplied by 2 by 5 to the power 2. Here separate both the factors, 3 by 4 to the power 2 and 2 by 5 to the power 2, and on multiplying we get that is equal to 9 by 100. जब दो फैक्टर रहेगा गुना के रूप में और उसका पावर रहेगा तो दोनों फैक्टर का अलग अलग पावर हो जाएगा. ठीक इसी प्रकार हम लोग भाग में डिवीजन में चलते हैं. If a by b and c by d are two rational numbers and n is any integer, then in division a by b divide c by d to the power n, that is equal to a by b to the power n divide c by d to the power n. डिवीजन में भी जब दो फैक्टर है तो दोनों फैक्टर का अलग अलग पावर हो जाएगा. Then take an example, 3 by 4 divide 2 by 5 to the power 3. Now separate the factors. 3 by 4 to the power 3 divide 2 by 5 to the power 3. Now write first part 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 times multiply and convert the numerator and denominator for division. Multiply by 5, multiply by 5, multiply by 5, divide by 2, multiply by 2 and multiply by 2. डिवीजन में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, नंबरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर बना देते हैं और डिनोमिनेटर को नंबरेटर बना देते हैं. तो इस प्रकार हम लोग उसको डिवाइड करके निकालते हैं. तो बता है 3375 by 512. Now you have two problems solved and make practice. Now seventh law is that if a by b is a rational number and mn are any integer, then on any base powers over power, पावर के ऊपर अगर पावर हो तो मल्टीप्लाई ऑन द सेम बेस, उसी बेस पर सेम बेस पर दोनों पावर का गुना हो जाता है, जोड़ नहीं गुना. एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल a by b to the power m whole to the power n, that is equal to a by b to the power m multiply n, not 8, m multiply by n. As for example, let 3 by 4 is a rational number as base and 2, 3 are integers as exponent power. Then 3 by 4 to the power 3 whole to the power 2. Then 3 by 4 to the power 3 multiply by 2. पावर को यहाँ जोड़ते नहीं है, यहाँ गुना करते हैं. पावर के ऊपर अगर किसी बेस पर पावर के ऊपर पावर हो तो उसको गुना करते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. तो हो गया 3 by 4 to the power 6. अब नंबरेटर 3 को 6 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और डिनोमिनेटर 4 को 6 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके हो जाएगा 6561 डिवाइड बाय 4096. नाउ यू हैव ए क्वेश्चन 2 by 5 to the power 2 whole to the power 3. Now evaluate this question. Now, eighth law is that if a by b is a rational number and n is negative integer, then a by b to the power minus n, that is equal to b by a to the power plus n. यहाँ बेस को हम लोग क्या करते हैं, कन्वर्ट करते हैं, रेसिप्रोकल कर देते हैं. नंबरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर बना देते हैं, डिनोमिनेटर को नंबरेटर बना देते हैं. तो ये निगेटिव पावर जो है वो पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट कर जाता है. एग्जाम्पल 2 by 3 एक रेशनल नंबर है और -2 इसका एक्सपोनेंट है, पावर है. तो बेस को हम लोग क्या करते हैं, कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं, रेसिप्रोकल कर देते हैं. नंबरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर बना देते हैं और डिनोमिनेटर को नंबरेटर बना देते हैं. तो पावर कितना हो जाता है, +2 हो जाता है. और तब इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर देते हैं. 5 by 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 by 2 that is equal to 25 by 2, that is equal to 6 whole 1/4. Now 9, if a by b is a rational number and exponent is 0, then that is equal to same rational number. किसी भी rational number का पावर अगर 0 कर देंगे तो वह उसी rational number के बराबर होगा. एग्जाम्पल के लिए a by b to the power 0 that is equal to 1. एग्जाम्पल 3 by 4 to the power 0 equal to 1. ये बेस कितना था, 3 by 4 था और पावर 0 है इसलिए 1 के बराबर हुआ. इन जनरल केस में 3 by 4 1 के बराबर नहीं होगा, लेकिन पावर 0 है इसलिए 1 के बराबर हो गया. लास्ट, if a by b is a rational number and exponent n is 1, then that is equal to same rational number. किसी भी rational number का अगर पावर 1 होगा तो वो सेम रेशनल नंबर के बराबर होगा। एग्जाम्पल के लिए 3/4 टू द पावर 1 दैट इज इक्वल टू 3/4, यानी सेम रेशनल नंबर का पावर 1 रहेगा तो सेम होगा। इस तरह हम लोग 10 लॉज पढ़े और इसको बढ़िया से याद करके प्रैक्टिस करना है। थैंक्स।